Here's my 5-gallon pump sprayer. You click the little button on here. This is actually the battery that's rechargeable. It comes with 2 of these batteries. And you basically have like your own walk around shower, washing dishes, wash the dog, wash the kid, wash the camera, whatever you guys want to do. Like I said, it does come with 2 batteries. That's where the battery is, right here. And that's also the on and off switch. My favorite part about this, not only is it a portable sprayer, right, is that it actually comes with this bag. So you keep everything nice and neat. It zips up. It's also mesh, so anything that gets wet is dry. It has 2 compartments, one for like the batteries and electronics, which is like waterproof. And then on the outside, you have this bag. So very nice. It's very compact. And, you know, it's just a simple concept, man. You know, you can keep everything together and it just works. So there you go. That's the system. Comes with about a 6-foot hose and you got your sprayer wherever you need it.